SSD. This is a computer SSD, which make the computer boot up faster than using a regular HDD. SSD is one type of memory that is widely used by gamers in assembling gaming computer. Because the fast loading process allows the game to run more smoothly and avoid broken games. There are quite a few SSD sold in the market now. We can be free of the type and brand of the SSD. Besides that, there are also various capacity on offer, which we can choose according to the need of the computer that we will assemble. One of the SSD that we will discuss this time is the SSD from the Midas Force brand. This SSD offers read speed up to 55 MB and write speed up to 500 MB. Moreover, this brand offers a validity of up to 3 years. So, if you plan to assemble a computer this year, use an SSD for system memory, so that the work carried out by the computer will be faster. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.